In this video, we'll show you how to create an automation that will create content for you with AI.
Hit follow, tag a consultant friend, or drop me a DM to secure your spot. Remember, burnout isn't a badge of honor, it's a wake-up call. Let's make scalability the antidote.
Wow, that was good. Oh my God. All right. So instead of you being here and setting up the camera and making the script and making the research and all those things, AI is going to be making content for you without you lifting a single finger. And if you're wondering who the heck this blonde guy is, well, my name is Vicente Cabrera. We have done this for ourselves. We have done this with lots of other people, and believe me, this works. The thing is, right now, this is really good and will only get better and better. What to expect from the video? I'm going to first create automation step by step. By the end of the video, I'm going to show you the results, as simple as that. Let me show you how to create this automation. All right, guys, the first step is getting a make.com account. There's many softwares for doing automations and AI stuff like this, but I would recommend if you go with make.com. You can start completely free. It's pretty easy to use. It have so many integrations. It's great, and it's pretty like user friendly. So just go over here and click get started free over here in the right. Once you create your account, it should look something like this right here. And as you can see here, I have 10,000 operations. You're gonna have 1,000 operations completely free. So here over scenarios, you need to go over here on the left side, just click on it, create a new scenario, and it should look something like this. On the description, you're gonna have access to the blueprint, which is pretty much the whole automation for free. So it's gonna be way easier for you guys to follow the steps. So just go over here and you will need to put import blueprint, as simple as this. Choose file, you just download it. I'm gonna ask you guys the email, your name, but completely free. We don't charge on this. This YouTube channel, it's all about helping you guys. So go over here and just upload the automation completely free, as I said before. And it should look something like this, right? Now I'm gonna go pretty quick to my automation, so it's gonna be easier to show you what to do. Over here. So this is where you just upload it into your make.com account. It might look kind of intimidating, and it is, but it's not difficult. I'm gonna go step by step, pretty easy. Everything can do it. My cousin was like 10 years old. I'm pretty sure he could do it. I mean, he's a freak with the technology, as every kiddo out there. Right? Okay. Okay, so the first step is getting an OpenAI module, which is this one. You will need to create it to connect it with an API key. To search the API key, just go to OpenAI and put API key, as simple as that. OpenAI API, and yeah, you will need to log in, and then at one point it's gonna appear like API key. Just copy the API key and connect it to the OpenAI, right? Now here we put GPT-4o system. This one's pretty powerful. It's gonna charge a little bit, and when I say a little bit, it's like not even a cent. It's like 0.00005, because AI is really cheap and it's really good. So I'm sorry for the employees, but I mean, you can replace you cannot compete against OpenAI. You cannot compete against Grok. So I'm so sorry for everybody here watching who's an employee. You guys are getting replaced because we're two people and we're running all this stuff. Okay, so here's the prompt. Give me one trendy high value topic that consultants, because that's our niche, are struggling with right now. Don't give me a full breakdown, just give me an idea or an angle. So here's the idea of the prompt, is just to give me some trendy topics that we can make some videos about it, right? Once we do that, we're gonna put here set multiple variables. The idea here is that you can do this whole automation for making videos for YouTube or for Instagram or LinkedIn, doesn't matter. But you can have this whole thing specifically for YouTube or LinkedIn, as I said. But now we're gonna stick with YouTube because that's our niche, and we're going pretty heavy on YouTube because we like YouTube. There's some pretty cool people over there too. Okay, so the next step, yes, the next step is having a Perplexity. Why we're using Perplexity? Well, OpenAI is great, but it's pretty general. Perplexity is another AI which is so good at like searching information in internet. OpenAI deep search is really good. Perplexity deep search is like out of this world, like out of this world. It's so good. You can scrape hundreds of like pages, and the information is really accurate. And sometimes OpenAI is not that accurate, but Perplexity is really accurate. So for like gather information and stuff like this, go use Perplexity, right? So here on ChatGPT, we said, okay, give me a trend, a trendy topic, right? Over here, decides the social media we want to target. And over here, the Perplexity is going to do the research. So over here, same thing. You need to connect it with the API key. I mean, same process, just go to Perplexity and just put API key, as simple as that, right? And now somewhere here, you can find the API. So here in the model, it depends on how crazy you want to go this. The most crazy, the most expensive. This is not even cents. This is like 0.0005. But you can go full sonar deep research, which is gonna make crazy research. But I don't think we need that much research for a whole 60 seconds short for YouTube. So I'm going for sonar reasoning. And here's the prompt. I'm using this information, which is the result of the ChatGPT that we just run, which you can find it over. Just put choices, message, content, right? So imagine this is, I don't know, AI automation, content AI, right? So it says, analyze the content through the lens of Alex Hormosis as an approach to market research and offer creation to improve businesses. I'm not just looking for summaries, break down the core problems, emotional pain points, and patterns that show that the market actually cares about. Then give me angles, whatever. The point here is actually, the first step is actually getting the trendy topic. The second step is using Perplexity to actually making a deep research to really understand the topic, right? Now make sure to here in the role use user, all right? So here's the next step. Here you can put a router. Here the idea is that if you here decide to use Instagram, you can put over here, hey, I want to do Instagram. So here you put Instagram, and you put, okay, here on the set multiple variables, you can put platform equal Instagram, right? So if you put over here Instagram, once you run this stuff, it will go this way. But again, we're doing this stuff we're doing this whole thing for YouTube. So for keeping things simple. So here again, YouTube. We have the trendy topic. We already have the deep research. The next step is actually putting all that information in a way that makes sense for a content that is gonna be a short, right? So here, same thing, GPT-4o, you can use other ones like GPT 4.5, that those start getting expensive. So, I mean, again, but it might be like I don't know, 3 cents per run, but that's a lot. So you just use GPT-4o system. Here on the role, use assistant and put, you're a short form creator for an audience for high-tech consultants interested in automation and AI. Your goal is to turn businesses insights into 60 seconds video scripts that feel like a punchy, no fluff Alex Hormozy. Cool. And here I just give a couple instructions. And here at the end, I put, here's the input to turn into a video. And I put all the deep research that Perplexity made. Just go over here, put choices, where it says message, click on message, and here content, and that's the result. Okay, now we have the whole thing. We have the trendy topic, we made the research, we turned it into a nice script. Now we need to send the whole thing, we need to send this whole information to the software that actually gonna make the video, right? That's called HeyGen, as you can see it here. Pretty simple. Same thing. You need to use API keys. Look, in this automation of things, and AI API is the most used thing ever. But you need to go find it. Again, pretty easy. Nothing too complicated over here. HeyGen API key. As you can. Yep. And then here you can search. You can find somewhere the API. But it should be pretty easy once you already created the account. Now, HeyGen, you can start again for free. I told you that you can do this, you can start doing this whole thing for free. And yes, you can do it. Now, HeyGen, you will get 3 videos per month, which is not a lot. But if you want to get it like unlimited, you will need to pay $29 if I'm right. Okay, so just go over here and create your HeyGen account. It's this one. And it will look something like this. If my computer downloads, right? And this is what you will see once you create your account. Okay, so now you got different like options. You can use other people, or you can create your same avatar. I have here a quick avatar I created time ago, which is this one. Now, if you're curious how to create an avatar, I can create an avatar with you guys. Let me delete this one. I'm gonna show you pretty quick from my cell phone. There's an app. Just download the app. I think so. Yes. There's an app over here, HeyGen. Make sure to sign up. Once you already created your account, you can download the app. It will look something like this, and you can create the avatar because it needs like to have an idea who you are, the way you talk, your English or your Spanish, whatever. You can use this whole thing for like different languages, by the way. Okay, so just again, download the app, just train the AI, and be like, just make a short, make it cool. Hey there, I'm excited to explore this new AI on my phone. Look, I'm recording a short clip for HeyGen to train a hyper-realistic avatar of me with an avatar that looks and sounds exactly like me. I can easily make all kinds of talking videos just by typing out a script. Look, there's no limit. Social media posts, product demos, tips, and in any language. Even better, my avatars are always ready at my fingertips to create videos anytime, anywhere, and it's amazing how simple it is. My avatars will work harder than me, so I don't have to. Okay, that was a quick example how you can create your avatar. Again, a minute and a half, and we're almost done. I'm gonna submit the avatar here. Okay, the avatar now is creating. If I refresh this one, you're gonna be able to see it. Look at this. That's me. Okay, but before that, let's finish the automation. Okay, HeyGen takes time to create the videos. But I'm not talking a whole day, I'm talking about like 5 minutes. So you will need to give the automation a couple sleeps, 300 seconds of sleeping. So the automation will just wait. So here we got 600 seconds, right? Which is 10 minutes. Over here we created the video with HeyGen. We sleep, we wait 10 minutes, and then we need to, okay, we already created the stuff. The video was created in HeyGen. Now we need to bring the video from HeyGen to make the com, right? And that's why we put here is I get a video module I did, where you can find it over here, right? You put save. Now we need an HTTP file. Same thing, we put the video URL, and you can find this one over here, right? Drive, it's pretty easy. So just create a folder, new folder location, doesn't matter. And same thing, new folder's name, doesn't matter neither. I just have the name over here, right? And HTTP. And this, you don't have to understand the whole thing, just follow me the steps here. Automatically post the video to different like social medias, to YouTube, to Instagram, to LinkedIn. Keep it here, and I'm gonna unlink it. You just need to go over here and connect your Instagram account. Same thing with YouTube. Connect your YouTube. My avatar is already ready. Let's do it. Go over here, and I need to select the avatar I just created. All right. Run once. AI, do your magic. OpenAI, choose. Okay. He chose a nice topic. Let's see what he chose. Go over here. Output. Okay, he chose scaling personalized client engagement in a digital age. Okay, okay. So now Perplexity is making his magic. We just wait. You know what? I'm a little bit thirsty. AI, I want you to work harder. Come on, hurry up, hurry up. You're taking too long. You just wait. Oh, it's done. Thank you. I'm gonna pay you 0.0005 cents. Thank you. Let's see. Okay, it went through. So now we just need to wait. So now I'm gonna be like, editor, do your magic. All right, my people, I'm gonna tell you a quick story. You see all this AI, all this cool stuff, OpenAI, Perplexity. Well, where you learn all that? Well, I just searched it online. And you know what? Yesterday I was talking to a friend of mine. Hey, what you wanna do? Well, I wanna go to school and I wanna learn how to code because I want to do websites. What? What are you even talking about? You don't you don't need university for that. You can just learn how to do websites, making websites. Because I have my freaky tech guy, and dude, he just studied a whole different stuff than he actually does. And he's the best freaky tech guy I've ever met. And you know how to do that? You just sit down, get a cup of coffee, maybe a cigar. Where's my cigar over here? And you just do the job. Nobody's gonna do it for you. You don't need to pay crazy stuff for university. Just follow me. Okay, now editor, make some changes. The video's created after like 10 minutes. That's okay. Now, as we can see here, the whole automation went through. Here it is. Let's check it. Hopefully it's good. I told you I was gonna show you a result. Are you ready?
Are you a consultant losing 10K plus a month because you're stuck in manual mode? Let's stop pretending burnout is normal. Your tools are the problem, not you. Consultants, listen up. You're getting squeezed between needing to scale and keeping that personal touch. CRMs treat clients like numbers, not people. You need an AI that understands clients the way you do, without turning you into a 24/7 machine. Here's the truth. Clients don't want more emails. They want results. Show them you get their unique challenges, and they'll happily pay those premium rates. AI can help, but only if it amplifies your expertise, not replaces it. Imagine saving 20 hours a week of manual work and scaling your business without sacrificing service quality. That's real freedom. I'm beta testing an AI platform with 50 consultants to change the game. More personalization, less burnout. Want in? Hit follow, tag a consultant friend, or drop me a DM to secure your spot. Remember, burnout isn't a badge of honor, it's a wake-up call. Let's make scalability the antidote.
Wow! Wow, that was good! Oh my god! Oh my god! Alright, I'm really surprised. That ain't being really good. Usually it takes a couple tries to get the right prompts, but that was on point. And this is, again, I haven't told you guys, this is like phase one. We can do this whole thing. Like, we already have the video. We can do some automated editings. So it actually is gonna be me talking to the camera, as you just said, with editings and stuff like this. But we're not there yet, because otherwise this video will be 3 hours. But if you're curious how to take this video to the next level, make sure to check this video, where I'm gonna show you how to make automated editings with AI. Hopefully you like it, guys. And that was awesome. That was unbelievable. See you in the next one. And if you like the video, make sure to subscribe, give us a like. We appreciate it, and see you in the next one. Go check the video.